In today's video, we're going through the optional preview update KB5053657 for Windows 11 version 23H2. We'll cover what new features and improvements it brings, what fixes it includes, and what you should check after installing so your PC stays running smoothly. This update brings several user experience enhancements. For example, there's a new system tray icon for the emoji and More panel, making it easier and more visible to open the emoji, GIF, or Clipboard panel from the taskbar. The update also introduces the gamepad keyboard layout for the touch keyboard. If you use an Xbox controller or another gamepad, you'll now be able to navigate and type using the controller, e.g., button X for backspace, Y for spacebar. Another great improvement is in the Settings app. Under Settings, System, you'll now see top cards showing key specs like processor, RAM, storage, and GPU, so you can get a quick overview of what your machine has without digging deep. Also, in File Explorer, scaling support has been improved. If you increase text size or change display scaling, dialogs and the File Explorer UI respond more consistently and correctly. On the fixes and under-the-hood improvements side, this update addresses a bug where ctfmon.exe might stop responding when copying data from certain apps. It also improves support for file system filters, helping apps get directory change notifications more efficiently with less I/O overhead. For users in the European Economic Area, EEA, Windows Search has improved support for web search providers, and on the font side, the update adds support for the Noto font family for enhanced CJK, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, browsing, and clarity. Since this update is optional, a preview build, it won't automatically install unless you've enabled optional updates or set your device to get the latest updates first. If you're comfortable trying early features, you can check for it via Settings, Windows Update. Check for updates. Before installing, it's a good idea to back up important files, make sure your drivers are up to date, and that you're not in the middle of critical deadlines, just in case. After installation, take a moment to check a few things: that the emoji tray icon appears, and optionally, you can disable it if you prefer. Test the touch keyboard, if applicable, to see controller support. Verify that File Explorer handles display scaling and text sizes properly, and check that everything you normally use is running smoothly. If you notice odd behavior, you can always uninstall the preview update and wait for the next standard cumulative update. That's a wrap on our look at Windows 11 version 23H2 update KB5053657, bringing better accessibility, enhanced UI consistency, and background quality improvements. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Windows Update breakdowns, tutorials, and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.